Okay, I am now stitching the bottom of my cushion cover together, and I've got my inner inside there obviously, and all the corners lined up. One of our cushion covers has buttons, so that's a removable one, but I'm just stitching these other two together. So I've started in the corner and going all the way down and just picking up stitch for stitch, so on the edge of each side, and just threading it through, and then you can just tighten that up as we go. Basically just like lacing it together. Here we go, carry on. Next one. So just one side to the other. It's called whip stitch. And just tighten it up every few. So if you leave it loose and open, you can see which stitch you have to do next. And just go into it. It's pretty quick. All the way through. Tighten it up again. And it makes quite a nice, tidy looking seam. Nearly there. Okay, right into the corner. And then obviously we want to weave that end in, so we're just going to go along, thread along a little bit, and then down, just down inside our cushion. Come out somewhere. There we go. Grab my scissors and just pull that snip, hide, and I'll weave in that other end, and then we'll just squish and fluff our cushion into shape. There we go.